seated pelvic tilts. So to get yourself in the right position for a seated pelvic tilt, you're still going to have your knees hip width apart and your feet are flat on the floor. It's very important to lengthen the spine with this so that you're not rolling and you're not slouching. Now you can have your hands to the front of you or you can have them behind the legs. It is up to you where you want to go. But your focus is your belly button. So Paul, take a deep breath in, rib cage, expand. And then I want you to pull your belly button in and just keep pulling in, pulling in, pulling in. You'll get to a point where you start pulling in and it actually shifts your hips, shifts you off of the sitting bone. So if you think of the pelvic tilts we did when we were lying down, it's the same kind of thing, you're just in a seated. So it's really stretching that part of the spine. It's not a big move. And then bring yourself up and lengthen. So inhale, rib cage. As you exhale, pull the belly button, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling until you feel yourself slip off the sitting bone and then hold it there. Now it's very important that you don't release that as you take your breath in again. So as you inhale and you come up, make sure you're still pulling in. What happens sometimes is people release this as they come up. So we'll just do one more. Inhale, belly button, pull, 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 pull. Hold it there. Inhale and bring yourself up. Good. So again, that is it just really helps stretch that lower part of the spine so you can relax. So that is a seated pelvic tilt. Bye.